What's going on? Welcome to the video. My name's Hayden Davis and you're watching FBA TV. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and you get value from this because it really helps me. Now in this video I want to talk about Q4, preparing for Q4. What have you got to do, okay? Now look, my last Q4 was big, but this Q4 I'm hoping is going to be even bigger, okay? So I just want to talk about how we're preparing for it so that hopefully it can help some of the newer sellers out there or the sort of mid-range sellers, because I'm just coming up to about 3 years now. This is my third Q4. So I've learned some good lessons from the previous ones. So the first thing I'm going to do right now is I've just come off a call from my business manager today, and what we're doing is we're taking stock of the current stock we've got, okay? So the first thing we want to do is October, November, December. Figure out what quantity do you want to be sending in them months. What's the desired quantity? And the way you can work this out, okay, there's two ways. Either you've got data from last year, which would be really helpful. So last year, and do this year if you didn't do it last year. Last year, all of my best sellers, okay, my products that were launched last year for last Q4, I wrote down roughly how many items we sold last Q4, and that was October, November, December. And that gave us a good indication as into what products, how many products we need to send this year. So what I've gone back and looked at that data, and then I've helped that with the analysis for this year. Okay, now that's what I would recommend doing if you've got last year's data. If you haven't got last year's data, what I would recommend you doing is looking at your competition. Okay, looking at your competition, looking at products that are similar to yours, whether that's the same brand, same category, same kind of item. Say if it's a toothbrushes you sell, for example, look at a different brand of toothbrushes if you haven't got the data. Or if there's some of listings that you already sell that you're currently selling on, look back. Look at the buy book pro graph. Look at the keeper graph. 365 days. What was happening in October, November, December last year? Most importantly, what was happening the running up to Christmas? Now, that will give you a really good idea of what's going to happen to your sales. Now, you've got to be careful. You've got to limit risk here. It doesn't necessarily mean it's going to happen this year, and it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to happen to these listings that you've got. However, it does give you a good indication. Now, unless you've got your own data from your own items, you never truly know until you've been through it, but that's a really good way that you can start to understand how many items that you need to send in. Now, the next thing that we did is then looked at the current stock that we've got, and then I started what I did with my business manager today. We're going through it weekly, okay? Weekly, not monthly, weekly. So to start with, we're going to look at October. What's the plan to be sent out in October, okay? So we'll have a look, we have a rough idea, and we've got a rough idea of how many products we should be sending in that month for that SKU. However, we can't predict fully how this year is going to be compared to last year, especially with COVID, etc. last year. So what we're doing this year is doing it weekly. So between us both, what we're doing is just monitoring it weekly. Okay, we're monitoring how the sales are going, how we predict they're going to go, and we're going to be making sure that we reorder these products weekly if they're really fast sellers. So that is the way that I am managing my Q4. Now, obviously, this can be different depending on whether you do private label type stuff, bundles, online arbitrage, wholesale, but that's how we're doing it. Now, obviously, we've got, things like purchase trackers and software that we're using to actually making sure that we keep track of this. But this is a really good way that you can just, get the data, whether it's your data or someone else's data, to predict these sales, and so you can never be 100% accurate. And then B, another way that you can start figuring out how many items you need to send, because once you've got the data, a predicted data of how many items you need to send, that's when you can start monitoring that on a weekly basis, you or your business manager, and then figure out what you need to do, what you're behind on, what products are selling better than you thought, and then actually doing this on a weekly basis. So if you've got a business manager, just like I have, you may need to assist them a little bit in this busy period, because they may not be as experienced enough to spend the possibly thousands of pounds that I know that we're going to be spending. And then after that, it's just once you've done your first year, you've got that data. Then you've got the data. Whether you do online arbitrage, whether you do private label type stuff, whether you do your own listings, you've got that data. Once you've got that data, you can bring that over to next year, just like we've done, and go in there with much more confidence, with a real good, realistic idea of what you think you're going to sell. As I say, it's not going to be the same, but it gives you a good idea, okay? And then you can bring that on to next year, so every Q4 gets easier. So I hope that video has helped. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, like the video if you've got some value, and I will see you in the next one. Hey all, just wanted to do a quick message about my sponsor. So Awesome is now sponsoring this YouTube channel. Very, very grateful for that. Awesome is an accounting and bookkeeping service. They take the stress out of my accounting. So they literally take all of my accounting for me. They do it all. It's completely hands off. So I literally have to do nothing apart from check the VAT returns each quarter. Now look, if you want to check them out, they've got a live chat 24/7, etc. as well. If you want to check them out, I've got 2 months free link below for free accounting. And that is all. Let's carry on with the video.